we are, Brandy Borchers, a brand new on-site dealer for OnSite FMS, which flow management systems, on-site. We're ready to install it on a 36-row John Deere planter. So this is our first on-site install of the year. And we have our technician, Johannes, who we commonly call as Yo, and his right-hand man, Cotton. Sometimes they call him Lefty, the right-hand man, Lefty. Anyway, Brandy, thank you very much for letting us here in a nice warm shop, and we're going to get to work. How about that?
Sounds good.
That's an all new design here, so you'll have to tell us how you like it.
All right.
And you can't call me and say it works like shit either.
Yeah. You're gonna say that,
I can't call you and tell you that.
don't call it. No. Oh, yeah.
As long as it ain't falling off and having problems with it, we'll be good.
Brandy, what system did you have on here? Did you have red balls?
Well, the system had, I think it was Alpine. This is a new planter to me.
Okay.
I've been running a 1790
With OnSite.
Deere planter, 24 row 20.
Okay.
And had the on-site system on that is a little bit older version, a little bit smaller tank. But yeah, upgraded planters, and I talked to salesmen giving me money for the old system to leave it on there, so we could update and go new on this one.
How many seasons have you been an on-site user?
Minimum 4. I had Red Ball before that, and just didn't have. And what I didn't like the system from the get-go.
What, the red balls?
Yeah,
Absolutely.
Just each red ball told me what 2 rows were doing instead of each individual row. So yeah, talked to Jason Peters back and got set up and going on this system and be able to know what each row is doing.
It's fantastic, isn't it?
It's
As expensive as fertilizer is, you need to know where it's going, don't you?
well, I want to know if I'm not getting it on a roll.
Yeah.
I mean, it's telling me where I'm at, but if our tube's getting plugged or something, then
Yeah.
you need to know what's going on. You can go plant a whole field and not have any idea what you're doing.
Yeah.
I mean, this is just
It's one of the,
it's a top-notch system, and yeah, if I didn't like it as well as I do, I
You-
wouldn't consider selling it either. It's just,
Yeah.
it's,
this is your,
yeah.
so this is your second system, correct?
Yeah.
Yep,
Yep.
fantastic.